This video will introduce you to Step 1 of the Ward Management feature, Metrics Review. The objective of this video is to get you familiar with our first step in the process. As I mentioned in the overview video, Step 1 is the Metrics Review. First, let's log into the election portal. If you haven't already downloaded the material, you will need to do that now. You can find it under the Products tab. Go ahead and click the Documents folder and then the Ward Management Training folder. In this video, we will use the following documents which are located in the Step 1 Metrics Review folder: How to use the Ward Management feature infographic, Metrics infographic, Metrics tab activity sheet. Let's review Step 1. You will use the Metrics page to look for any inconsistencies or issues that may indicate problems. Look out for any red flags, such as the percentages of the residents and non-residents. It may show as unbalanced. If you have an upcoming ward boundary review, it will help you recognize where the updates will need to be made. This page is read-only, so you will not be able to edit this page. If you need to make edits, you will be able to do this in the Ward Maintenance tab or the Property Assignment tab. This is primarily to begin searching for anything that stands out for you. Let's start by clicking the Ward Management tab in the Election portal. If you don't see this tab, please reach out to us at voterslist@elections.on.ca or email your assigned coordinator so that they can get you started. This will automatically open the Metrics page with the default grid layout. Please note, I am using our testing environment, so it is not live data. The Metrics page will display specific data based on your customization and present key metrics at a glance. You can follow along with the steps included on the Metrics tab activity sheet and use the Metrics infographic for reference. Select the boundaries you want to view, current or future. For this video, let's choose the future. Now, let's take a closer look. Each ward is divided into 5 areas: residents, non-residents, civic addresses, non-civic addresses, and properties. This shows the percentage for each category for each ward, helping you quickly identify if the distribution is significantly off. Click the arrow beside any ward for a detailed breakdown by poll. Some people may prefer a simpler view. To change the layout, click the card layout view. Click the plus beside the ward. I find this easier to read. Now, anytime you see the question mark icon, I suggest you click it. The question mark icon will provide you with additional details, tips, and notes specific to the page. This one explains the layout options and provides notes on elector counts. Click the icon again to close it. Another thing you can do is toggle between more or less detailed views in the grid by clicking the Options link. This allows you to customize your view by toggling items on or off. Exit by clicking the X in the right corner. Now let's review the key metrics for your municipality, which is located at the far right of the screen. At a high level, you can view your totals for your jurisdiction and see if there are any properties or addresses missing ward assignments. You can also see the ward with the highest elector count, lowest elector count, and the average elector count per ward. Let's recap. The Metrics feature highlights any red flags for your team. This is an important step and should not be missed. Now that you have a better understanding of the Metrics page, you can move on to the next video, which will take you through Step 2, Geography check in a detailed process.